This arrived today. I'm super excited. It's the Stevie Awards. All right, so I'm going to unbox this. I'm going to unpack it. See how we go. Oh, goodness me. Just trying to work my way around it. Let's have a look. Man, this is well packed. And I have to get some scissors and some. Okay, good. Got some. Can't tell you how excited I am with this. Awesome. Ooh, you ready? You ready? God, look at this. So heavy. Oh, I can see that I've got some goodies in here. Oh my God. Ooh, I got a card as well. I'm going to read the card first. So I have a quick. Okay. I just took a moment to try and decipher the writing, but I've got it. My brain's processed it. Oh my God, Katie. What a wild ride, eh? Here's to you, the most incredible force of nature, creating ripples around the globe. Can't wait to see what you do for 2025. Lauren. Thank you so much, Lauren. I really appreciate that. That's gorgeous. Okay. Oh, cool. That'll be in handy for Christmas with the family coming around. A beautiful pen. Oh, I saw you put these out. Thank you so much. Got a nice pen and some dark chocolate. Very good pick, because that's actually what I eat. All right, let's start with, yes, this is the bronze Stevie Award. So I'll open the gold in a minute. This is what I got, a bronze award in the Maverick of the Year category, which is pretty phenomenal because there was TripAdvisor, Twilio. If you're familiar with those brands, they're pretty big. So that's cool. So there is the bronze Stevie Award for the category of Maverick of the Year. Thank you so much, Stevie Awards. Amazing. So there's that. And look how big this thing is. It's huge. Okay, this is what I won for Mentor Coach of the Year 2024 for Consumer Services. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You ready? Oh, that's very, very cool. To read that one in that video. There you go. Katie Joy, Global Butterfly Proprietary for Mentor or Coach of the Year Consumer 2024. Ripper. Hey, yay! Celebrate with me. Anyway, I wanted to share this moment with you. It arrived today. All right, guys. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. Yes.